I'll be showing you how to manipulate the speed and create speed ramps in Adobe Premiere Pro starting right now. Alright, first, let's enlarge the track. Next, you see this small box on the video clip? Right-click on it and choose Time Remapping, and then Speed. Then you'll see a black line appearing on the middle of the video clip. You can control the speed of the footage by moving that line up and down. As you can see, it's at 100% right now. If you move the line upwards, the percentage is going to rise and the video is going to be in fast motion. Therefore, the length of the video clip will decrease. If you move the line downwards, the percentage is going to get lower and the video is going to be in slow motion. Therefore, the length of the video clip will increase. This is how you can do regular speed changes. Now let's see how we can do some speed ramping. To do this, first, you have to choose where you want to apply the speed ramp. I'll be applying it right here when the dancer is about to jump. I'll make the speed ramp start just when the jump starts and make him jump in slow motion. Alright, now let's start creating the ramp. First, choose the pen tool. To do that, you can either press P on the keyboard or click on this icon here. Next, click on the clip right where you want the ramp to start. If you just click on the footage, it's not going to do anything. So make sure you click on the black line. Once you do that, a dial will appear. As you can see, when you take the cursor onto that dial, the pen tool will disappear and this icon will appear. Once that appears, start dragging your mouse to the right side and release it at the point you want the ramp to stop. Doing this will duplicate the dial. So basically, the footage before the first dial can have one speed and the footage after the second dial can have another speed. The speed of the footage between the two dials will either gradually increase or gradually decrease depending on what kind of ramp you'll be creating. If you want that part of the footage to be in fast motion, you need to drag the line upwards. As I want the jump to be in slow motion, I'll click on the line here and drag it downwards. I zoomed in a little bit so that you can observe the changes more clearly. Alright, now let's check how the video looks. As you saw, the slow motion begins just as he's about to jump and it continues throughout the rest of the footage. But I want the speed to go back to normal just as he lands from the jump. So I'll create a speed ramp for fast motion around here. Next, I'll choose the pen tool, zoom in a little bit and click here. Then I'll drag this dial to the right. Now I'll click on this line and bring the speed back to 100%. If you want to adjust the smoothness of a speed ramp, click on one of the dials. Then a blue color dial will appear on the black line between the green color dials. When you click on it and drag your mouse, you'll be able to see this dial rotating. This will help you smoothen your speed ramp. Now let's check how the video looks. As you saw, the speed of the video goes back to normal just as he lands. If there's anything else you want to learn, let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so that you won't miss any videos like this. For more tutorials like this, check out the playlist shown on the left side and I'll see you in the next video.